Hello everybody. So in this video I'm going to discuss few more technical MCQ on the control statement. I mean for loop and do while loop or while loop. Okay. So last class also, last video also I have solved already few questions. Now in this video also we will continue the same object. So this is the right. This is question number 30. 30 is where question number. Here is the 30. This question. Observe. This is the question number 30. Right. What I will do. Uh, Let me maximize the screen here. Okay. So this is the question. Right. Let me 1 minute. What is given here? It is given two variable I and j. Two variable is given I and j. So I container will be created here in the memory, and j container also created in the memory. J. Slowly observe. Initialization also done. I will equal to 1, j will equal to 0. So store I 1, j is 0. Right. Next condition is what? I less than 5. I less than 5 is the condition. Updation is I plus plus. But unfortunately, observe here semicolon is there. If semicolon is there, then remember for loop start and end in this line only. Okay. For loop start here and end in this line only because semicolon statement terminator is there. So this j plus plus will be treated as outside of for. Outside of a for means 100% it will be execute. Whether the condition true or false, that will be not depends here. This statement will be 100% execute. But here looping statement, until the condition is not false, the looping statement will repeat. Here only it will be repeated, not this way. Block will be included. Here only it will be repeated. So observe how it will be repeated. I will tell. Now I value is 1, j value is 0. Condition will be checked. I less than 5. Right now I value is what? 1 or not? So 1 less than 5. True or false? So true. True means it should go inside to the block, but it will not go. Why? Because semicolon is here terminated. So what will the next? Instead of going to the block, it will go to the updation statement. I plus plus. Right? I plus plus. I plus plus means I will become 2. Now again after that condition will be checked. So this is the initialization statement. Only one time will be executed. Okay. In the theory discussion also I have told only one time the initialization statement will be executed. Now condition will check what? I less than 5. Right now I will observe 2 or not. 2 less than 5, condition again true. It then after condition it should have gone to the block, but unfortunately it is terminated here. So instead of going to this block, again updation statement I plus plus is nothing but I will increment it to 3. Now condition again checked, 3 less than 5. Okay, 3 less than 5. This is the I container. 3 less than 5, true or false? True. True means what will be again happen, instead of going for a block, then it will go to the I plus plus updation statement. I plus plus is nothing but 3 will be deleted. 4 will be stored. Right now 4 is less than 5. Condition again become true. True means what will be happen? Again I plus plus means 4 will be deleted, 5 will be stored. Okay, na? 5 will be stored here. Then what will be happen? 5 will be stored. Then condition will be check again. What is the last condition? They will be check 5 less than 5. True or false? Sir, false. False means this totally for loop will be terminated. Okay. For loop will be terminated, but I will write now is what 5. Then this statement will be executed. J plus plus. What is the J value, sir? J value is 0. J plus plus means J will become 1 because only one statement here. This is the only one statement. Okay, J value assigned and J will increment happen only in this line only. That's why it is increased to 1. Now, after that, what is the next line? Print a percentile ij. Observe I container value is 5, J container value is 1. Answer is the question number B. Right? Answer is the option number B, not question number B. Option number B. In the same problem, if the semicolon will be not there, the semicolon, if semicolon is not there, you know what will be the answer? Answer will come 5 and 4. Right? Answer will come 5 and 4. Semicolon is there, that's why answer become 5 1. Because since the semicolon is there, J plus plus not executed. If the semicolon will be not there, J plus plus also executed this 3, 4, 5 times. 4 5 times means every time it will be 5 times. Every time it will be increase 1, increase 1, increase 1. So first 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4. Okay, so this is become the answer here. Observe, I will execute this program. 2 case also I will show, this 2 case also I will show. Observe here. I copy and compiler, online compiler. This time I'm taking guys Control V. Okay, it is yesterday I will I'm deleting. Now I will run this program. 5 1 data. Okay, now I will delete this semicolon. Observe what output I will get again. I will run this program. I for not. I told answer will be A, answer will be B. For this particular answer is B only. Okay, answer is B only. See, answer B or not. Next 32 slide observe. Okay, let me maximize this one. Okay. What is given? I equal to 3. Let me take the pen. I equal to 3. So I container value first time is 3. Observe. Next, this statement will be over. This for this statement in the memory, this kind of container will be created and value stored 3. For statement. For statement, observe. Here, 2 semicolon. This is 1 semicolon. How many semicolon allow in the for loop? Only 2 semicolon. Okay. For here, initialization semicolon, condition semicolon, updatations like this. Syntactically, we have studied in the last video. Observe how many. This is 1 semicolon. This is 2 semicolon. So here also, this is 1 semicolon. This is 2 semicolon. But observe, just before the semicolon, here initialization statement is there. First one. But here nothing is there. It is empty. This is empty. This empty also allowed or not? Last class also I have told empty. This is empty. Next, in place of condition, what is written? Simply I written. Condition I written. Then, in place of update statement, what is written? Total, this is print a percentile I minus written. Right? See how the program will be executed. Observe. little bit tricky it is. Observe. So right now I will use 3. Now condition we will check I will use 3. I told except 0 everything is true. So this is become true. True means it should go inside the block. But unfortunately here no block of statement available. Also it is ended with a semicolon. That means for loop will be start here, for will be end in this line only, right? Then what will be happen, sir? What will be happen? So instead of going to the block, it will go to slowly, it will go to updatation statement. Is there or not? What is that? Printf percentile d I minus minus. This is the updatation statement, not I minus minus. This is the updatation statement total. Printf percentile d minus I minus minus. Sir, what is the meaning of I minus minus? First value, then decrement, then decrement. First value, then decrement. So first I value. Right now I value is what, sir? 3. So 3 will be printf. Printf means display. So 3 will be print first. Then I minus minus. I minus minus means 3 value become 2. 1 value decrement. Then after this one again it will go to where? It will go to condition. What is the condition here? I. Right now I will use what? 2. So this time 2. 2 means true or false? Sir, true. 2 means true or false? True. If it is true, then it should enter to the inside of the block, but inside of the block is not there, and again it is terminated to the semicolon. So this updatation statement will be execute. What is the updatation statement here? Printf, print karo, printf I minus minus. I minus minus. Just I told first I value. Right now I value is what? 2. So printf 2 will be print. Later I minus minus. I minus minus means 2 value will be deleted. 2 minus 1. 1 will 1 decrement will be 1 will right now. Observe again, observe. After this one, again it will go to which one? Condition. Right now I condition is I. In place of I, what is there? 1 is there or not? 1. Condition true or false? Everything, if anything apart from 0 or except 0 will be treated as a true. I told several times. So now this is become true. True means what will be happen? Again it should go to the block, but block of statement is not there. Updatation statement. What is the printf I minus minus? Right now I value is what? 1. First value. Then printf 1. Then I minus minus. I minus minus. I will become 0. Right? I minus minus. I will become 0. After that, what will be happen? Again condition. I. Right now I will observe what is that? 0 or not? It will write I 0. 0 means true or false? False. False means this for loop will not execute. This for loop will be terminate here. Okay. The for loop will terminate here. Then nothing is there. After this for loop terminations, nothing is there. Here nothing is there. Blank, blank. Then what is the output? Output observe. This is output came or not? 3, 2, 1. Is there or not? B is the right answer. Right? B is the right answer. Observe. B is or not? Okay. Now I will erase this one. Erase up. Okay, I'll execute this program. Observe. I will execute this program here. This is my last program execution. Sorry. Okay, I'll delete and control G. Observe. What is the other thing? No, extra bracket is there, right? This one is the extra bracket. Delete this one. Integer main for loop bracket not taken. What answer? 3 to 1 came up. Yes, 3 to 1 is the answer here, right? I hope this is This is understand to all of you. This will be understandable to all of you, right? Now come to the next question subject. 32 is over. 32 not 32 only. No, 32. Next 34. 34 is there. Observe. Simple. I will maximize first. And what is there? How many variables are there? Sir, two variable is there, right? Okay, pen taken. Now I is one variable container created in the memory, and A is one variable. Again, one more container created in the memory. Value first store here. What is the value? I value clearly given here 1, and A value clearly it is clear 10. Right? This is the value first. Now condition observe. Again here observe two semicolon is there. But before semicolon, initialization statement there are not there. Only condition and updatation. This kind of syntax also valid, right? So what is the condition? I less than 3. Right now, what is the I value? 1 or not? 1 less than 3. True or false? True. Okay, true means statement will be executed because you see after for loop no semicolon is there. So statement block of statement will be executed. What is the block of statement saying? A plus equal to I plus plus. Very simple. Okay, this is called compound operator. This is I plus plus post increment. What is the meaning of I plus plus? First value, then increment. Then what I can write? First value. First value is I. Then I plus plus. Will be done. Right? So again, what is the meaning of this one? Simple, sir. Meaning is A equal to A plus I. Then I plus plus. Right? Observe, sir. What is the A value right now? Observe in the container. 10 is there. I value 1 is there. So 10 plus 1. How many? 11. This 11 stored in where? Again in A. Now A value will be deleted. 11 will be stored. Why 11 will be stored in A? Because I have written A equal to A plus. That's why. That's why. Now deleted 11. 10 deleted 11 store. 11 store. Right? Now 11 store. Now I plus plus. What is I plus plus? Now I will is 1. I will become 2. I will become 2. Next observe. Next after that, after this statement, nothing is there. For loop also ending here. But last time, since the condition was true, again for loop will be execute. Which one? Updatation statement. For loop updatation. I plus plus. I plus plus means once again I will become 3. Then condition again will be checked. I less than 3. Right now I will is what? 3 or not? 3 is less than 3. True or false? False means what will happen? False means okay. False means this total this one will be terminated. This for loop will be terminated. Okay, for loop will be terminated. Nothing will be executed right now because condition become false. Then what is the next line? Next line is I को print करो. Print the I value and A value. Right now I value is 3 na, and A value is 11. Which is the option? Observe. D option or not? 3 and 11. Okay. Let me execute this program. Okay, 1 minute. See, this is my program, right? This is not wrong. See, 311 came. Yes, 100% correct answer I'm getting here. Okay, as for the explanations, The answer also correct. Next 30, 36. Okay, this is my question. Very, 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 very important. This one also. Observe what I am doing here. I will explain or what I will do. Okay, observe. Hmm. What is given here? How many container? Sir, integer main here. Ink color. This time I will take a blue color. बहुत red हो गया. Okay ना? So a equal to value first assigned 10. Right? Next observe a equal to 10. Okay. Now integer I equal to 1. Integer I equal to 1. Declaration done here. Where? Inside the for loop. Declaration done inside the for loop. But integer a equal to 10. Declaration done, initialization done inside the main function. Okay, main function. Meaning is what? A value can be valid anywhere inside the main function. A value can be valid anywhere inside the main function. Sir, anywhere in the sense? Anywhere in the sense, a value can be valid inside the for loop. Okay, for loop percentage how much? Here to here. So, okay, so the a value, this a value equal to 10 can be valid in this inside this for loop or outside of the for loop also not a problem because it is declared inside the main function, right? But in this case integer I equal to 1. Observe where it is declared. This is declaration or not? Int I, written int I equal to 1. This is called declaration with initialization. Okay, so first declaration or not, so the value is declared, but unfortunately it is declared inside the for loop. For loop portion is from which portions? Here to here only. That means this I value is valid inside this for loop only. The I value is valid inside the for loop only, not outside of the for loop, right? Not outside of the for loop. But observe, after this for loop, what is it we are trying to print? I or not? I na. But I is present in the main function or in the for loop I is present. Sir, I value is present in the for loop, not present in the main function. That's why what undefined symbol I error will be displayed. Compiler error. So let me explain this program also, not a problem. But integer I equal to 1. One more container is there. I will equal to 1. Okay, next condition will be check I less than 3. Okay, I less than 3. I value is 1 less than 3. Condition is true, right? If condition true, what will happen? Statement inside statement will be execute. What is the inside? Print the a value. What is the a value right now? 10 or not? Observe the a block, a container 10. You will use it 10. Next, what will be happen? Okay, after, because here na, here no semicolon also there. So this block executed. After this one, bracket is there. Na? Again, it will go to updation statement I plus plus. Okay, after I plus plus, because last time condition was true, so I plus plus. I plus plus means I will increase to 2. Again, condition will be check here. Condition is what? 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3, 100% correct. Na? Again, statement will be executed. What is the statement? Print a percentile D A. A is what? 10 or not? 10 will be printed here. 10 will be printed here. Okay. 10 will be printed here. But observe. Next, next is what? Next is what? Again. After that, again go to updation statement I plus plus. I plus plus means I will right now become 3. Okay, I will become 3. I will become 3 here. So I value is 3 means again next condition. Condition is what? I less than 3. I less than 3. Observe I value is what? 3. 3 is less than 3. 3 is less than 3. So condition become false or true? False. Na? False means what will be happen? This for loop will be terminated. This for loop will be terminated. If the for loop will be terminated, what will be happen? Okay, everything here is going to terminate here. Everything will be terminated here, right? Why? Because next line observe. Print I is there. I print, but I value already terminated or not? Because I scope is inside the for loop only. Observe. I scope is inside the for loop only. But for loop deleted means condition false means for loop will be deleted. For loop deleted means what will be happen? This I value will be deleted, right? I value will be deleted. Printf 1010 is there, but it will be not displayed. Why? Because it will not display because later printf I want trying to print, but already I value deleted here. So I value deleted means whatever I'll get undefined symbol, undefined symbol I. Okay, undefined symbol I. Like this, I'm going to get undefined symbol I. Sir, suppose instead of printing I here, writing I here in this section for loop, if I write here I, what will the output you know? What will be the output? What will be the output you know? It will the output will come 10, 10, and I will last time is what? 3 or not? Here I'm printing, I will become 3. Like this output will get. Observe what that means A will be the answer. But right now in this question, since I declare inside the for loop, D is the correct answer. Compiler error. Let me execute this program. Object. Okay, let me check the answer first. See, D or not? Compiler error. Okay. Okay. See, it is written here I is initialized inside of the for loop. So scope of this is what? Inside of the for loop only. And we try to print I value outside for loop. So we get compiler error. Okay. Even though this A value 2 time executed 10 10 is there ready to print, but it will not print because of this statement only. What is the solution for that? Remove this integer I from here and declare here. Observe, I will show the I mean execute this program. Hmm. See, this is my program, right? Observe what output I get. Error came or not? Compiler error, printf I. See, error I undeclared. Is it an I is undeclared? Okay, but I declare here where inside the for loop. That's observe. This time what I'm doing, I remove this int here, declaration part. I equal to 1, okay, here no problem. Then I will declare here comma I, semicolon. Right? Observe what I have to write. 10 10 3K or not? Yes. Just I told. Okay. So this is the output. In this way I'm going to get here. Next question observe 38, last one I will explain. 40 already in the last video I explained already. Observe sir. This one. This one also. That's why observation is very important. Several times I'm telling observe carefully. Sometime also I am doing mistake. Okay. So see here, what is the variable here? Now night 12 o'clock, I think. Okay. Is this one here? I container value is 5 and A container value is 10. Right? See, A container value is 10. After that, again one bracket started. And again one bracket here closed. And inside this integer A is written here. Okay, integer A is written here. What I told, suppose integer A 10 written. If we are writing again integer A, suppose 50, then immediately compiler error, syntax error. This type of double times we are declaring A and A. Double times we are declaring A and A. But if I write only A equal to 50, not integer, then it is called reinitializations. Here declaration with initialization, again only A means reinitializations. But this type of syntax in this program, integer A equal to 10, and again here integer A equal to 200. Valid or not valid? Sir, it is valid. It is actually invalid because in this program it is valid because of this bracket start here. Okay, observe this bracket. Here one more bracket start, here one more. That means here inside the another bracket A value is declared. So here A value is before bracket and A value is after bracket. So what will be happen? 2A will be created in the memory. 2A will be created in the memory, right? But difference is what? This A scope, this A scope is throughout the program. Everywhere. This A value is valid. But this A value is valid in this portion only. This bracket to this bracket. Once this bracket will be closed, this A value will not work. This A value will be work, right? You can observe like this situation now I got. So what is the here for loop? Nothing is there. What is the written here condition? A plus equal to plus I. Right? A plus equal to plus I. Sir, meaning is what here? Meaning is here it has pre-increment or not? This is pre-increment, right? Pre-increment this one. First value will be increased. 5 is there. So value increases to 6. Now A plus equal to I. I will write it is meaning is what? A equal to A plus I. I value is 10. I value is 6. What is the value right now? 16. Sir, which A value? Which A value? A value is 10. Huh? Okay, this statement executing. So which A value? 200, not 10 here. Observe this one, very important. Not 10 here. 200 only. If you put 10, again it will count. 200. This A value, this A value. Because this bracket executing right now. We are in this bracket or not? So A value 200. So 10 don't put 200 plus 6. Answer become 206. Okay. So this value will be not changed. This value will be changed. 200 to 206. Right. So after this line is over, okay, because here no for loop, nothing is there. So repetition will be not there. Immediately this bracket will be executed. End of the bracket. Remember, end of the bracket means whatever we have done, everything will be deleted here. So this A container also deleted here, right? After deleting this bracket, what we are printing? Percentile D A. Already this A deleted na. Which A is there? This A is there. Is this A value changed or not changed? Not changed. Right now A value is what? 10. 10 will be printed. Answer is C. Observe answer C or not. Right? I hope this concept is clear. I will execute this program. Once again, observe. See, 10 came or not? Yes. So this is the output of this program. So up to 30 to 38, 40 last video already I have discussed, right? This program already explained. So this is the some MCQ questions I discussed in the next video. Next video I will discuss few more questions, right? So I conclude here, guys. Okay, I conclude here. Please take